Right, we have to solve this equation to find x. So, looking at it, you'll notice there's stuff on the bottom, okay? And generally, first thing you want to do is get everything on the top. So let's deal with this first. Let's get everything on the top. 3x and 2x. Okay. Well, we could multiply both sides by x. Nothing wrong with that. We'd end up with something over 3 here and something over 2 there. And then next time we could multiply by 3. And then next time we could multiply by 2 and we get everything off the bottom. But that would take 3 steps. Nothing wrong with that. Take your time if you want. But I'm going to show you a way to get rid of the 3x and the 2x off the bottom all at once. What we're going to do is multiply through by 6x. Okay? Because 3x and 2x both go into 6x. They're both factors of 6x. And that way, we'll get rid of everything off the bottom all at once. You'll see what I mean. Watch this. So, we're going to multiply everything by 6x. Okay, every term. So we get 6x times x plus 2, because it's multiplying everything on top, so you have to put it in brackets, over 3x plus 6x times everything on top, x minus 2. Don't be afraid to introduce brackets, nothing wrong with that, over 2x equals 3 times 6x. Okay, so we've multiplied everything through by 6x. And now, watch what happens. We get nice cancellation. Got x on the top, x on the bottom, so they can go. Same here, x on the top, x on the bottom. And what we're left with here is 6 divided by 3, which is just 2. So that becomes, so therefore, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then the bracket. You see, you've got everything off the bottom. Same here. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 and then the bracket. 3 times 6 is 18x. So look at that. We've got everything off the bottom all at once. Okay, it looks like 2 steps, but I've drawn it out. It's really only 1 step. When you get good at this sort of stuff, you can go straight from there to there. You can write multiply by 6x and do it in your head, because you know that you're multiplying that whole thing by 6x. 6x divided by 3x is 2, so you can go straight to there. Same here. 6x divided by 2x is 3, so you can go straight to there. Anyway, that's the quickest way to do it, and probably the best way to do it. But like I say, there's nothing wrong with taking your time and multiplying through just by x to begin with. So you end up with the 3 and the 2 on the bottom. And then by 3 to get rid of that, the 3, and then by 2. Take your time if you want, but that's just the quick way of doing it. You choose to multiply by something that both of these are factors of, that they both go into. Anyway, moving on. Next, we have to multiply out the bracket. So therefore, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times plus 2 is plus 4, plus 3 times x is plus 3x, plus 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, equals 18x. Okay? Gather like terms. 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2, equals, notice I've got my equals in a column, good habit, 18x. Okay? Right, subtract 5x from both sides. 5x minus 5x is 0, so therefore minus 2 equals 18x minus 5x is 13x. Divide both sides by 13. Boom, boom. and we get x equals minus 2/13. And that is how it's done.